We have assembled here basics of what to do when the patient is injured or unconscious. Maybe in the school or maybe outside when you are going somewhere, on the road. If you find a person unconscious, let him lie down. Hold the legs and raise them, both the legs. There is lack of blood supply to the brain. Fight or flight. Fight or flight. Whatever the blood has come to the legs, it will come back because of gravity. It will go to the brain. And don't give water to him. It will not go into the foot pipe, it will go into the lungs.